Well, after a stunning show in Delhi Assembly elections in December last year, the Aam Aadmi Party will today formally launch its national campaign. In fact, this was going to start from Haryana. Arvind Kejriwal, who himself belongs to that state, will be addressing a rally in Rohtak today. The former Delhi Chief Minister will address the party workers and general public at a special 2.5 lakh square feet pandal in Huda Sector 6. Though Aam Aadmi Party has been organising public meetings, this would be the first state-level rally after Kejriwal stepped down as Delhi Chief Minister. Today's rally assumes significance as it's being held at the home turf of Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda and his MP son Dipinder Hooda in Rohtak. The Aam Aadmi Party leaders in the recent past have in fact intensified their attack against the Bhupinder Singh Hooda government for corruption and land scams. Hooda, who has been Chief Minister since March 2005, will also face assembly polls in October.
After their unprecedented success in Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party is now stepping into the national electoral foray, and for 2014, they will begin their campaign from Haryana. I am right now in Rohtak district. This is the bastion of the Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda. This is his home constituency. Arvind Kejriwal will start his campaign for the 2014 elections from a huge rally in Rohtak, and you can see the preparations are all in full swing. All these people, this is a bike and car rally that has been organized by the supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party, and they want this to be a show of strength for Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, there have been many doubts on whether the Aam Aadmi Party phenomenon would be able to survive outside Delhi. Was that a lone experiment or not? But with 2014 on, this is where Rohtak will be the city from where Aam Aadmi Party will be blowing their poll bugle for 2014. In fact, all eyes would be on whether Kejriwal is able to get some numbers or not. Let me just go across and talk to a few of the supporters, those who have been here. भूपेंद्र सिंह हुड्डा का होम कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है, दीपेंद्र यहीं से लड़ते हैं. आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पे झाड़ू का कोई असर होगा?
बिल्कुल होगा, क्योंकि आम आदमी जब उठता है तो वो अपनी ईमानदारी को लेकर उठता है. उसके पीछे अपनी ताकत.
सारे हरियाणा से का लोग यहाँ पे इकट्ठे होंगे या नहीं होंगे?
बिल्कुल होंगे, 100% होंगे. जो ईमानदार होंगे सारे इकट्ठे होंगे.
This is the war cry for the Aam Aadmi Party. They want it to be a show of strength. Arvind Kejriwal will be addressing his first electoral rally for 2014 elections from here in Rohtak, and all eyes will be on whether he gets the same magic and the same numbers as he used to get in Delhi. With camera person Sudhir, Ankit Tyagi in Rohtak for Headlines Today.